I'm Dave Marble. I'm the CEO of OSHEAN. OSHEAN is a 501c3 nonprofit research and education network in the Northeast, centered in Rhode Island. We have 550 miles of fiber connected all over the state of Rhode Island and into Massachusetts. We connect to 150 nonprofit institutions that range from higher education to hospitals to the state government to the K-12s and libraries in the region. One of the things that we noticed certainly was the emergence of cloud services, and our membership was saying, is there an offering that OSHEAN can provide in the cloud area? So we started looking at cloud, and we first said, do we build it ourselves? And that was quickly dismissed. And so then we looked for a partner. When we select someone, we want our membership to contribute to that selection. And so we started to talk about the needs of the individual memberships. And obviously one thing we noticed is a lot of them were using VMware. The marriage of VMware to our cloud architecture that we wanted to use, we thought VMware obviously would be a key component of that. But we also thought we were creating something new, and that was this marriage of the network and the cloud. And so a number of cloud providers had the network stuff built in, and that's what they were going to provide. But what we wanted was somebody who would be amenable to us actually melding our network infrastructure into their cloud architecture, and ultimately NaviSite fit that bill. Our move to NaviSite addressed the scalability issue that we had in the first place, which was don't build it ourselves because we'll never scale. NaviSite immediately had the scale that we were looking for. And it also now is addressing our multi-tenant architecture. And when you talk about a tenant, a tenant for us can be somebody as big as a Brown University or a Lifespan Hospital or the state government of Rhode Island. And so that scalability and just the individual challenges of dealing with those kinds of institutions at their scale was addressed by NaviSite. Our offering to our institutions is unique and accelerating dramatically, especially over the last 6 months or so. NaviSite's been very good at adapting the services that would allow you to pick the pieces that best fit your application. And again, that instance of marrying that to our network is a big part of it. Literally, NaviSite looks like another building on our members' network, which is really very good for them. It's secure, it's fast. One of the things I would recommend of anybody who's just looking at cloud or just starting their move to the cloud is to spend a lot of time in just breaking it down to its constituent parts. And for example, a lot of times people will pick a cloud provider but ignore the networking challenges, an example of something that you want to break down and analyze. And then fundamentally realize that one size, one application does not fit all. I'd highly recommend NaviSite as a partner. Their architecture is wonderful. It's VMware across the board, and it's robust. Being able to marry multiple different technologies or implementations and applications that really, in my estimations, make NaviSite stand out.